G'day guys, it's Tommy here at Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a new dip recipe. This is my new Spring Pea and Mint Dip. I tried it yesterday for the first time. It's absolutely delicious, so I'm sure you're going to love it too. So today I'm using the Vitamix E310 Blender. This is Vitamix's most affordable entry-level blender, but it's still just as awesome as the top of the line model. I love using this blender. So let's get started. It comes with a 1.4 litre container, a smaller size container, which I find perfect for making dips. Firstly, I'm gonna put in 2 cups of beautiful, fresh baby peas. In they go. I've got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of raw tahini. I'm gonna put in 1 teaspoon of fresh lime zest. Good little tool, this one, just to get my zest off there. I'm also gonna put in a tablespoon of lime. Just squeeze that whole lime in there. 1 handful of raw cashew nuts. A big handful of fresh mint leaves. Absolutely delicious. Now I am gonna take the peel off this, just because I'm not gonna be getting the Vitamix up onto the highest speed, so it's not gonna break everything down like the peel of the garlic. I'm just gonna be using it on a slow speed to make my dip. Pepper, a little bit of Himalayan rock salt, give it some good flavor. All right, so we're ready to go. How fresh does that look with the peas and the fresh, beautiful mint and lime? Gonna lock our lid into place. I'm gonna use the tamper and I'm gonna start our Vitamix on a low speed, probably increase it to about speeds 4 to 5 for about 30 seconds. I don't wanna over puree it, so I still want a little bit of chunk in there, a little bit of texture. Let's get blending. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, we are done. Look at that. How good does that look? The beautiful fresh peas, mint, the lime, the garlic. Absolutely delicious. I can't wait to try this. Now I've got this beautiful half a coconut from my last recipe, so I'm just going to use that as a serving bowl. I think that'll look absolutely amazing. But let me try some first. A little bit of celery. Perfect springtime dip. Make sure you try it. I think you're going to love it. Happy blending.